Hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today I'm going to share my experience as a English speaker or as a interview, as a giving lots of interviews to get a job. So, I'm going to share my experience how I got my second offer letter within a month. Just from last 2 or 3 months, I was not getting a job. I have given lots of interviews, around 20 interviews, 20 plus interviews. Then how I got selected from one company, which is the MNC, and also the second company, which is also the MNC. I'm going to share my step by step process, how I'm also speaking in front of you all, because I was not recording videos and making videos on YouTube. So how I started this and how I got my two offer letter within a month. So just if you are a beginner, or if you are a new in any field, you don't have any knowledge. So how you are going to gain the knowledge? What you are going to do? Just you have to practice. This is the only way. If you don't know anything, what you will do? You will just learn the things from that particular field or person in which field they are working. We have to learn, and just we have to take action and implement. Then we can expect the results. So what we done, just I started getting or searching for a job to get a better job, because if I have completed my graduation and masters from Aligarh Muslim University, then I came to Delhi to get a job. So I started searching from the Naukri.com, or from the there are lots of apps, but there is only two platform which is very important to for everyone, which is Naukri.com and LinkedIn. So just I make a profile and I started giving interviews. When I went to give my first interview in Concentrix, offline interview, so I was just sitting there, and there was three process of interview, which is MCAT text and Versant and interview. These are the three process to get a job in Concentrix. So just you can give the MCAT test and Versant and OPS. It means virtual interview will be held from the office. So in my first interview, I was very nervous. I don't have the confidence in speaking. I was nervous, and I don't know the answers of the question, what answers he is going to ask, and what question he is going to ask, and what answers I have to give. But I give the interview, and it was great, and I got selected. So there was an interviewer, just he started asking, I passed two process, MCAT and Versant. After in OPS, they scheduled the meeting and the interviewer come, and it was virtual interview, and it started. So just he started speaking, introduce yourself. So I have given the introduction about myself, and then he asked, tell me about your qualification, your background, and what your fathers do, what your mothers do, how many brothers you have, what they are doing, what is your goal, and how you are looking yourself in last 5 years, how you imagine or how you think to go, and all these questions. And what do you know about customer service, and are you comfortable with the night shift? This was the main thing which I got selected. But in that during the interview, I said night interview, night shift. I shocked. So interviewer understand that this person is not comfortable in night shift. So after giving the interview, I just talked to the HR and I said yes, and the salary was also not good. So I just left the job because of the night shift. Because if you are searching a job, so you will get lots of job of BPO, night shift or day or night and day, lots of night shift job in BPO, not in other section. So just I started giving lots of interviews in Concentrix, Teleperformance and Genpact, Cognizant, and lots of interviews I have given. Akash Institute, everywhere I just fill the form and I went. Offline interviews, I go to give lots of interviews. So what happened to give the lots of interviews? I am not going to regret that I lose my time, money, energy to give lots of interviews. It's help to improve your English speaking. It helps to improve your confidence. It helps to get experience, lots of experience. When you have given 20 interviews, and after that if you will go and give any interview, the confidence will reflect from you that yes, you are the person, because you have gaining the lots of knowledge from lots of department, lots of companies. You went and give the interview, so all the experience you gain, it will help in your next interview to crack the next interview. And in Accenture I also went for the interview for and it was customer service. I went and it's around 20 kilometer, 20 or more than 20, no 25 kilometer. I went there and I just wait 5 hours, and it take 2.5 hour to reach the office and 2.5 hour to come back to my home, and I wait there 5 hour. And after 5 hour, when my turn came and I entered in the cabin, there was a HR. Just I sit there and he asked me, are you comfortable with night shift? I said no sir. He said okay, it is a night shift. I came back to my home. Just I see this type of things. So I gained the experience, lots of experience after giving lots of interviews. Then the time came when I got selected. There is a company in Noida which is Global Logic. I got selected in that company, and then I start working there. After working there, after 10 days, I because in that period, 2 or 3 months period, I applied in lots of companies. I also applied in Accenture, Cognizant, everywhere. So from the Accenture team, HR team called and they scheduled the meeting, and I have given the interview in the Accenture, and then in Accenture also I got selected. So within a month I got 2, and within last 3 months I was just searching and trying. But to get these all experiences help, because you learn lots of things. If you are doing anything, you are taking action, it's not going to ruin, it's not going to ruin your money, energy and things. You will get help out of this. So this was the thing which I shared with you all, and I think this video will be help you to get more knowledge and more clarity about the lots of things about experience, interview. So this was the thing which I shared with you all. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video. So thanks for today. Keep watching, keep growing, keep learning, and be 1% better every day. Thanks for today.